Action camera enthusiasts, get ready! Big rumors are swirling around the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 6. If the leaks are true, this could be a major game-changer. From cutting-edge stabilization to potential 8K recording capabilities, there's a lot to break down. But what's real and what's just hype? Stick with us as we dive deep into everything we know so far. And don't forget to subscribe to Technify for the latest updates on tech and gadget reviews. Leaked images suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will stay true to DJI's signature compact and rugged style, perfect for adventurous use. Forum discussions hint at a change from the traditional USB door to a rubber-sealed design, likely boosting water resistance and durability. Another exciting update is the possibility of a removable lens, opening the door for customizable lens options to suit different shooting needs. When it comes to video performance, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to impress. Rumors suggest it could offer 4K at 120 frames per second, delivering super smooth slow-motion footage. DJI's advanced image processing will likely improve dynamic range, cutting down on overexposure while enhancing details in both highlights and shadows. A larger sensor is also anticipated, which should bring better clarity and significantly improved low-light performance. Enhanced HDR capabilities will make colors more vibrant and contrasts more striking, offering professional-level footage right out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy post-editing. In terms of user experience, DJI's reputation for intuitive design continues. The Osmo Action 6 is expected to feature a highly responsive touchscreen with a clean, easy-to-navigate menu. Voice control and gesture-based commands could see major upgrades, making hands-free operation even easier for those high-energy moments. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are likely to be available, ensuring fast file transfers to smartphones for quick edits and sharing. The DJI Companion app is also expected to offer advanced editing tools, live streaming support, and real-time previews, making it an all-in-one platform for creators on the move. Versatility is a must for any action camera, and the Osmo Action 6 doesn't seem to disappoint. It's expected to be compatible with a wide range of mounts and accessories from helmet and chest mounts to waterproof housings and external microphones. There's even talk of new magnetic mounting systems and modular add-ons to make setup faster and more efficient. This flexibility will likely appeal to vloggers, extreme sports athletes, and filmmakers looking for a powerful yet compact recording solution. Battery life is another area where the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to make significant strides. Longer recording times are expected, even when shooting at higher resolutions and frame rates. A bigger battery, combined with improved power efficiency, could mean hours of filming without needing constant recharges. Fast charging via USB-C is also anticipated, along with possible swappable battery packs and smarter battery-saving modes to extend shooting sessions even further. Stabilization has always been a strong suit for DJI, and the Osmo Action 6 is no exception. Expect even better rocksteady electronic image stabilization, EIS, and possibly in-camera horizon leveling. Smooth, shake-free footage could be achievable even during intense action scenes. Enhanced stabilization algorithms might also improve low-light performance, minimizing motion blur and jitters. New features like dynamic time-lapse modes and intelligent tracking are also rumored, giving content creators even more creative options. While we're still waiting for the official reveal, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the action camera world. If the rumors are true, users can expect significant upgrades in design, performance, and versatility. As always, it's wise to stay tuned for official announcements before making any decisions. Thanks for watching Technify. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, guides, and more. Join the Technify community and stay ahead of the